and 1,000 subscribers. Came true. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hakim. I do a lifestyle, fashion, and dance video on my channel. So today's video will be how to make 2022 your best year yet. So I have seen everyone doing this. At first I was gonna do this. No, at first I wasn't gonna do this. That's what I meant to say. At first I wasn't gonna film this type of video because I have done this setting goals, goal setting, vision board, and some other stuff. I did that last year, but I didn't film it. So today, I want to show y'all. I want to share with y'all what my goal setting for this year and my vision board. So yeah, I wrote down some 8 tips, 8 steps to make your year be better, great year, hopefully. But first, before I talk about my 2022 year setting goals for this year, vision board, I want to look back at 2021. Yep, this is my vision board for last year. Okay, as y'all can see, right here, and I was gonna tell y'all which hat came true. Down the bottom is a room decor, room transformation, what I did for my new room, which I was very shocked about. It actually came true. And this one right here is the CD player, which it came true, and a camera, which I got a camera for my birthday last year, and 1,000 subscribers. Came true. So yeah, so this is my 2021 last year vision board. Definitely gonna keep that forever. But yeah, I would say before y'all do anything for your 2022 goals for this year, make sure that y'all look back at 2021 that you have complete or you hasn't, and you can put it in your new vision board for 2022. You know. So yeah, make sure y'all do that first. Step 1, vision board. Make sure y'all make your own vision board. You just need a cardboard, pictures, tape, or glue to put it on the board. I would say just make a vision board. It really surprised me, and I think I work hard for it. Always you gotta work hard for your work. It's not just gonna come like that. Work hard for your work, okay? And make sure that y'all put your vision board in your home screen on your computer and your phone, your lock screen on your phone. Literally, I had it on my phone right now, and I had it right now on my computer. And I would say, make sure that you make your vision board on your computer and on your phone. out your gallery before new photos for the new year. Okay, all your phones, the color of your phone, clean out your phone, clean out your photos, your gallery. Make sure you do that before new photos because you will have no storage. So I'll recommend to clean out your phone and some apps that y'all really don't use anymore, make sure you just clean it out and do all that. Okay, I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. Just clean out your phone, delete some apps that you don't really go on that much or that play that much, you know. So yeah, I would recommend for y'all to do that. Step 3, make sure to put new habits. Okay, so on my visual, I put out a picture that, of course, you know, and or maybe on my notebook. Make sure that you put new habits that you want to do this year for the new year. I feel like I don't think you want to do the same thing over and over again. So I really recommend for y'all to put some new habits in your visual. Step 4, focus on your main goal. Focus on your main goal because like you need to get that in your head, and I need to get that in my head. Like my main goal is to wake up early in the morning. That's my main goal, is to wake up early in the morning, be healthy, complete my schoolwork, my homework, like anything. Just focus on your main goal. Step 5, set your goals for the new week and the new month. I done this on my Notion that like I wrote down like for my goals, for my new year goals, for my new week, for the new month, like November, like first stop of November, make sure that you write a goal. Or like before November come up, you know, like make sure that y'all write down your goal for the next week, this week, or month, like March, February, like make sure that y'all write down your goals on a notebook or on your Notion, on your phone. You can do it anywhere. Just make sure that y'all do that. Step 6. Manifest. I start manifesting last year, and I would say some of the habit came true, which I was shocked. It was some sound that I use when I manifest, like deep wealth, release. And if I find the sound of it, I will put on the screen right here. Sometimes I do it in the mornings. Definitely in the mornings. I like to do it in the morning. I really don't like it at night, but I really like it in the morning before I do anything else, like my morning routine and stuff. Or when I wake up, manifest, and I really like to do that. And I really need to get back on it. I did like 2 or 3 times. Yeah, but I need to get back on it. Number 7, don't go overboard. Don't go overboard on your goal setting and your visual, because I don't want you like overwhelm yourself, like oh my god, this is too much, and I don't want y'all to get so stressed about it. Like really focus on the main goal for your visual and your goal setting. Like don't put too much pressure on your visual. Just put it on for this year, and you can pull it on another one for next year and another year. But yeah, just don't go overboard because it won't work. It wouldn't work. Number 8, set your goals on your notebook. Some people set their goals on a notebook. Some people set their goals on the vision board. I want to start setting my goals on my notebook and my vision board, but it's really different. I would say vision board is like you looking at it, like I'm gonna do this, like That's my dream. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna make it. We got this. You know what I mean? On your notebook, on your notebook, on your goal setting, like you write it down. When you write it down, you like none of your head, like okay, and just like write down, like let me like hit Instagram. I want to hit 20K followers on Instagram. YouTube, I want to hit 2K subscribers on YouTube. Like that, I think you should do that on your notebook, like when you want to hit it, when you want to get it, when you want to do it. So yeah, I would recommend y'all to do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I am really excited about this year. I'm really excited about my goal setting and my vision board. Really excited about this because for my social media, for my YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and I just can't wait to grow. Hopefully I can grow this year a little bit. Yeah, like I say, like I really appreciate you all for staying here on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, watching this like a journey, and I hope that y'all stay here forever. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is my first video for 2022. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that this year, I hope that y'all complete y'all goal this year, and I hope y'all have a happy life this year. Please. And we're all still in the pandemic, so please wear your masks when y'all go outside. Be clean, stay safe. Yeah, I just really hope everyone complete y'all goals this year, and I complete my goals this year. Anyway, I hope that everyone have a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya.